How to make a baked fudge float, also known as chocolate lava cake. Emily has approached the kitchen. First thing she needs to do is to get her utensils. This will be the bowls. Puts them on the table. Then she just get the ingredients. There's some sugar, some flour. She needs some margarine or butter, melted in the microwave. There it goes. And here it comes. Melted margarine, just like that. Then we're going to start putting these ingredients in the bowl. There's some sugar, and there's going to be some brown sugar, and some cocoa, and some vanilla. Those will be mixed together and left in a powdered form. After this, in a separate bowl, we're going to go ahead and mix the flour, some more sugar, some cocoa, some baking powder, and we're also going to put in some milk and the margarine. Now, as you're going to see here in a second, this is going to be very important. You have to make sure that the ingredients are placed into the bowl in the form of a volcano. Otherwise, the lava will not form properly once you finish making this delicious dessert. If you notice, after this vanilla is added, the pile in the center there looks just like a volcano. Then it's got to be mixed up quite well until it's all in a uniform consistency. Then you have to turn the oven on and make sure the pan is sprayed. It's 350 Fahrenheit, not Celsius. Need some very hot water. Put the batter in the pan, and then carefully spread the powder mixture over the top, and make sure it's very smooth. This will help for the lava to form properly under the cake. And pour the water onto it very slowly. And then it's got to be placed into the oven very carefully so that you don't spill that water all over the place. And we're going to go for a ride now. Whee! We've gone into the oven, and that's got to sit for 45 minutes. And this is very quick, 45 minutes here, but your house might be a little longer. I'm going to go ahead and take that out of the oven. That is now ready, though it is going to be quite hot. You'll notice that the cake is on the top, the lava is on the bottom. And that's all. Thank you for watching.